everyone, it's really lovely to see you. I'm going to explain about the maths which we're going to do today, and we're starting a new topic of addition and subtraction, and we're going to start this morning by reminding ourselves how to count on. So I'm going to move around here, and you might see if you can find some dominoes or make some dominoes, and we're going to find the total number of spots on the domino. Now if you remember, you don't need to start counting from 0 or counting from 1, because I know that this side is 5, and I'm going to count on 2 more starting from 5, 6, 7. So the total number of spots on my domino is 7. Let's try that with another one. Okay, let's put it that way around. So my starting number is going to be not 0, not 1, but I'm going to start counting from 4, because there's 4 spots on this side of the domino. So I'm going to say 4 and then carry on counting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So altogether I have 9 spots on the dice. Now how about if I put the dice this way? Okay, one side of the dice has 6 spots. The other side of the domino, has 5 spots. Now I wonder if you can remember, which number would it be best to start from? Would it be best to start counting from 6 or to start counting from 5? You're right, it's best to start counting from 6 because it's easier to count on from the biggest number. So I know that this side has 6 spots, and to find how many there are altogether, I'm going to count on from 6. So I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Altogether, there are 11 spots on the domino. Now, you might like to make yourself a little game to practice counting on. I've just made some number cards, and I've chosen the numbers between 11 to 19. I'm going to turn those numbers over. You can see through them actually. But this is what you'll do. You'll just turn the numbers over, and either you can pick one or you can ask somebody in your family to pick a number for you. I'm going to pick the number 12. All right, so I'm going to start with 12, and I'm going to roll a dice. Hopefully you've got a dice at home in one of your games. So 12 is going to be the number that I start counting from, and I'm going to roll the dice to find out how many I'm going to count on. So I'm going to start counting from 12. I'm going to put 12 in my head, and I'm going to count on 5. So I say 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try a higher number. Maybe we might have to cross over into the 20s. So this time I'm going to start with 1, 10 and 8, 18. I'm going to roll the dice again. Ooh, I'm going to count on another 5. So the number which we put in our head is 18, and we carry on counting from there. So we've got 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, now you can practice that game as many times as you like, so that you feel really confident with counting on. And then you can have a go at one of the activity sheets which we have for you this morning. So you might like to try maths activity 1, which is some little word problems which are all worked out by counting on. So we start with 9 children on the bus, 5 more children get on. How many children are there now? So you're not going to start counting from number 1. You're going to start counting from 9 and count on 5 more. So 9 in your head, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and you can have a go at the word problems on that sheet, or you might like to try this one, which gives you a few different problems as well. The number that you're starting off with first, then you're going to count on the next number and find out how many you have now as your total. In this box here, these are some bar models. So we're going to start with 14. You're going to count on the number of spots, and then the question mark, the bar at the top, is your total that you have all together. And if we just scroll down a little bit, you can have a go at a couple of number line word problems as well. So you'll be so I'm just moving the camera. So hopefully you'll have a really good maths session this morning, all right? And I will see you again tomorrow for a bit more counting on. Bye everybody.